Hey, Michael Newrock here. I'm on the Euro US on the 1 hour time frame. I'm considering getting involved in a trade. I'm just going to put this to the side here. It's a swing trade. So we're already in trend. The move is downward overwhelmingly. 5 out of the 6. Very possibly 6 very soon with that bidirectional on the 4 hour trend. But 5 currently out of the 6 high time frames are telling me that this price is moving down. I've got a nice swing here. The trend has already been formed. It's not too far away from the inception of the trend. RSI is below the 50. MACD is below the 0 lines. Just turned red, indicating that price is under pressure. And the stochastic is already crossed over, which it doesn't even need to be. So I'm going to take this trade, and there you go. I've got about 40 pips for my stop and about 60, 65 pips thereabouts to the recent key low. Now, the trade will be fully managed by the settings that I've put in the trade management of the Profiteer TA. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to pause the video for now and come back as soon as I have an update. Hey, I'm back, and wow, why am I cheery? Because I'm almost $1,600 in profit, 63 pips of a maximum, around 59, 60 pips, what I'm currently on right now. And, I'm really happy because after going in my favor to start with, it corrected and corrected like nobody's business. So it actually, went into the red for a little bit there. So it hasn't hit my first target yet of where I was intending on locking in profits, but it's pretty low on the charts, and I don't want to tempt destiny here for any other possibilities. So I'm going to modify both my positions, and there you go. I've locked in some pips on both my first and my second position. I can rest easy now. I've got about around 50 pips locked in on my first position, 20 odd 25 pips on my second position, and if it goes against me now, then hey, I've made some money. If it goes in my favor, I'm going to make more money. That's what I call a win-win situation, and that's what you want to be in as often as possible. Trading is a zero-sum game. There can only be one, and the other side is playing for keeps. So when you get in a position that you can lock in profits, you're win-win. So anyway, I'm going to pause right now, come back as soon as I have another update. Cheers. Okay, so $674 is my open position. $649 is this first position, which I closed. Let's just see. Right here I opened, closed it right here. So it moved against me, and $650 just shy of, converted from equity into capital into my bank. So that's what I call a good trade. On the 4 hour, I can see here, and on the daily, there's plenty of room to the downside in this trade. So I'm going to stick it out. I've got my second position open. You can even see on the weekly here, plenty of room. Let's just have a look. We've got what about 160 pips to the downside? I want it all. Give me it all. You need to have that hunger when you're trading. My open position, 695 thereabouts, 690. The conditions are still good for what I'm doing. I'm shorting this pair, and all my indicators are telling me that it is going down. How long it goes down for, how far it goes down for, I don't know, but I'm going to ride it for as long as I can. Right now, I've converted some equity into capital in my first position. I've got my second position open, and let's hope for the best. Obviously, trading, you got to be happy with your results. Whatever happens at this stage, it could go against me, it could go in my favor, but I'm going to take as much as I can out of the market. That is my job. My loyalty is to the market, and I'm going to trade the direction of the market whenever I can for as long as I can. So I'm going to pause it right here, come back as soon as I have another update. Cheers. Okay, so looks like I've been taken out of the game. Both positions now are out, but 318 for one, 649 for the other. Just shy of $970 between the two positions, both one lot positions, so nothing crazy, and that's fantastic. 970 bucks to spend on whatever I want. For now, it's gone into growing my capital of my account. Conditions are still down on this pair, so I'm going to look for another opportunity to short it. But we'll see. I'm loyal only to the market, so whichever the way the market is going, Profiteer is going to tell me, and I'm going to do my very best to exploit whatever opportunities come my way. Alrighty, until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.